Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here with my next video, and today we will discuss a question. And the question is I am the seer, doer, and enjoyer. The body is my instrument. Explain. Or how self enjoys the activities of the body. And the answer is there is a relation between the self and the body. That body act as an instrument of self. Whatever self thinks, body performs it physically. Body does not decide itself. We can verify this by the following discussion. I am the seer. When we are reading a book or listening, when someone is explaining something to us, when we are watching a scenery or when we are thinking, we are engaged in the activities of seeing or understanding. Now, when we see some nice scenery, we say, I am seeing. That means our self I see via the eyes. The eyes don't see, they are just instruments that enable me to see something outside. Different images are formed in the eyes every time, but it is who is able to relate it to the meaning of that image every time. Similarly, I can see inside in me also without the eyes. For example, I can see that I am getting angry. In this case, I understand or know or am aware that I am getting angry. When I see outside, the body works as an instrument. Second, I am the doer. Once I have seen, understood something, I am the one who decides what to do or not to do. I am the doer. For example, when I see the scenery, I am the one who decide to take a picture of the scenery. I use my hands to pick camera and click a picture. The hands in the body are thus used as an instrument. In this way, I work with my hands and legs. And the third is I am enjoyer. I saw the scenery and I took the picture. I am the seer and so far. When I see the picture, I like it. I am the one that enjoys it. Thus, there is a continuity of being the seer, doer, and enjoyer. Similarly, when I eat, I am the one that gets the taste from the tongue. Our next question is explain with example the various activities in the self I, or briefly explain the activities of desire, thought, and expectation in the self with an example. And the answer is the self is conscious in nature, while the body is physiochemical in nature. The interaction between the eye and the body is the form of exchange of information. So, the focus of attention is on two categories of attributes of the self, namely the powers of the self and the corresponding activities as the manifest outcomes of these powers. Power. This means the basic capacity in the self, I. They are desires, thoughts, and expectations. Second, activities. The activities are imaging, analyzing, and selecting testing. The activity of analyzing means breaking down the image into various parts of to open it to up. Selecting testing is with the expectation of fulfilling our desires with the expectation of happiness. The activity of selecting testing is the basic level via which the self interacts with the body. A simple example to understand these activities is a follow. We may have desire to have respect by being the owner of a big house. This is in the form of imagining. We have an image in us of fulfillment of this need for respect via a house. Based on this desire, we start working out the details of the house. Example number of rooms, stories on which floor in will stay. The image of wanting respect from the house is split into many parts. This is called analyzing. The activity of analyzing means breaking down the image into various parts. Now that we have worked out the details of the house, we go about choosing the size, color, etc. of the room. This is called selecting testing. Thank you.